With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is the product of energy and time is called action, and therefore dimension formula for the action is same as that for. So we have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is product of energy and time is action. So we can write here dimension for energy and time. So we can write here energy multiplied with time is equals to action. So we have the dimension for energy into time is, this is m mass 1 length 2 and time is -2 and it is multiplied with time. So this is t minus 1. So from this we get this is equals to m1 l2 and t. This is plus as time is +1 and this is -1 here. So this is the dimension for energy into time. Now we have to find the dimension which has a dimension same as this. So let us start with power. We have to find the match of this. So let us start with power. So for power we have m1 l2 and t minus 3. So this is not correct here. Now we check for angular energy. So dimension for angular energy is, so in MLT it can be represented as m1 L1 and t minus 2. So this is also not same as this. Now we check for force into velocity. So dimension of, so we can write here this is the dimension of power and this is dimension of angular energy, and we have now force into velocity. Force into velocity here. So it has the dimensions m1 for the force is mass into acceleration. So this is m and l power 2 and t power -2. Force is L1 here, L1 and t -2, and we have the velocities distance divided by time. So this is L1 t -1 and this will equals to our m1 L2 t -3. This is also not same with the dimension of energy and time. Now we left with only impulse into distance. Impulse into distance. So the for this we have m1 L1 t -1 here, and we have distance is L1, impulse is m power 1 L1 and t -1. So we have distance is 1. So on solving this we get m1 L2 and t -1. So this is similar to this one. So we can write here energy and time is similar to, is same as that impulse into distance. So this is our answer for this question. Now we can check which option is correct here. So our option D will be correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.